Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Codersarts. So in this video series, basically we talk about or discuss about or showcase projects demo. In today's video, we are going to showcase one projects demo that is under the mobile app development. So basically Android app development, and in this Android app development, we will talk about how we develop one game like TikTok. I think you already know this is a famous game. Okay, so might be whoever either a student or developer who want to learn how to implement this type of projects in Android app development, so we will get the idea. So one of our team member Abhay, so he will explain about the complete project, what are the feature of this project, and then we will also discuss what are the technical aspect of this project, how he has implemented this project. Okay, so I inviting Abhay, so he will explain about the complete project. Okay, so hi Abhay, now you can brief more about this project, and also you can explain about the projects, about the showing the screen. So like you can show the demo of this project. Okay.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Abhay, and today I'm in this video. I'm going to demonstrate the very famous game Tic-Tac-Toe,
Mm,
which we are playing in the when we are younger in the school or in college. So we
mm,
are just playing with the Tic-Tac-Toe game. It is a very
mm,
famous game. So
mm,
in this video, we are going to demonstrate how to implement the Tic-Tac-Toe in the Android devices.
mm,
Basically, how to use and play it with a bot or with our any of our team members.
mm,
So in this application, we are using the bot as well and the
mm.
multiplayer things as well. So you can
Okay.
just play this game as a single player and as a multiplayer as well. So
Mm,
let's go to the video demonstration of the application.
mm.
So let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. So is it visible to you?
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, not visible.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the basically video demonstration of the application.
Mm,
So let's play the video. In this screen, when you launch the application, you can get this screen. Okay.
mm,
So
mm,
this is the heading of the application, and this is the single player, and this is the multiplayer. So
mm,
first of all, we are going to check the how the multiplayer game is working. So let's
mm,
play the. So here we click on the multiplayer and play with another of one of our friends.
mm,
So this is how it's the working. So once it is basically 4x4 thing.
mm.
Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, once more, I'm just playing with the multiplayer. So this UI is basically is a graphic things like we are using in the gaming applications. Other games that we are played in our Android devices, we are using this screen, and
Mm,
this is called the graphic screen. And
mm,
animation I also have used here.
mm,
So let's play the video, and so like you can see the result as well. So now
mm,
click on the single player where the bot can play against you. So X is you and the 0 is your bot.
mm.
So you can see bot is winning
But I think X was winning. I think 3 time X was there or 4 time. Okay, okay.
4 times.
4 time. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I was thinking 3 time.
Yeah.
It was basically 4 by 4 screen, right?
Yeah, it is basically 4x4 application. We
Mm,
are generally using the 3x3, but in
mm,
application I have used the 4x4 things.
mm,
Okay, so this is the basic result we are getting here, and this is the
mm,
full demonstration of the application. So coming to the technical things, we are just using the algorithm,
mm,
a bot algorithm, how can a bot on the mobile is playing against you. So, and the
mm,
second thing, like in the multiplayer, we are just using the normal thing, like a cross and zero, and just checking is if it is crossing the position or not. If it is crossing the position, we are increment to the, we can host the winner. So
mm,
this is the basic logic, and this is a very basic project that we have created in the game development time.
mm,
Yeah. So and this is the in video side also we can in the application we also show that the way like how the things is going to be happen in the application. So
mm,
coming to the documentation part.
mm,
Okay. So this is the documentation of this application. and like how does the project, or what is the project overview? As I have discussed earlier, the
mm,
tic-tac-toe game is the Android is the robot opponent that we are playing with the robot opponent in the classic two-player game where is the one player compete against the computer control opponents. Okay, this is
mm,
the basic project agenda. So
mm,
coming to the timeline thing. So
mm,
first of all, we have to create the project setup. It will take approx 1 day. Okay, like you
mm,
have to and UI design. You have to create the UI things, and
mm,
it take approx 1 day for developing the UI. So we have to implement
mm,
the game logic. It will be a time taking process for a beginner thing. So it will take approx
mm,
max to max 2 days. So
mm,
third thing is like you can interactive at the gameplay. You can just check how the game is playing and
mm,
allow the player to run and take the responsive UI. And this thing that you can just you can need up to 2 days. So
mm,
first of all, you have to just train your logic like robot opponent behavior. So you have to
mm,
check the AI algorithm, like what you are using the AI or any other things algorithm. So you can
mm,
check the behavior and you can just train the robot for the
mm.
winning purpose. And the
Okay.
second one, the final one is the for winning and restarting. So
Mm,
it will take up to 1 day. It will depend on totally upon the developer. Like if
mm,
the uh, any person is winning and restart the game again. So
mm,
this is the logic. First of all, you
mm,
have to develop the winner and determine like if
mm,
X is matching to the crosses all the line linearly or in vertically. So we can
mm,
just develop the winner things, implementing
mm,
the, and after the winning, we have to restart the game,
mm,
as we can see in the demonstration. So,
mm,
and first of all, and the last thing, we have to encourage the user experience enhancement. Like if any UI issues and these type of things, testing
mm,
things like you can say that it
mm,
will take up to 1 day, and
mm,
you can take up to testing and debugging things across half and days.
mm,
So this is the thing, and what are the technologies that I've used in this application is the like Java or Kotlin. You can use any of the language. It will be developed in Java. In my case, and
mm,
UI UX designing, I am using the XML, which is the part of the HTML, CSS, and uses the Android is known
mm,
as the XML layouts. I am using the XML layout. So
mm,
one third thing, like using the game logic, like
mm,
implementing the game rules, winning condition. You can have to mention all the conditions of winning and the losing the game.
mm,
Okay, and the third thing is the animation. Like you can see the animation of automatic rendering the data of the robot and the demonstration. So it was the animation that we are appearing to the
mm,
user experience. Okay, you can
mm,
use the sound effect as well. And if you want to use the sound effect like playing or any of the funny sound that you are wanted to use,
mm,
and the tool I have used is the Android Studio.
mm,
Okay, so Android Studio, you can develop this app in the Android Studio. So what are
mm,
the learning outcomes? Like how do you learn? What is the things? Like you can learn the game development skill, AI
mm,
implementation,
mm,
user-friendly design, and the player experience. So these
mm,
are the things are the learning outcomes. So like when you create this project, you
mm,
can get a lot of things to learn. Okay,
mm,
so these are the things that you are basically learn in the application.
mm.
So that's all about the project.
Okay, okay. So this is basically, so it may be little about complex, or maybe in terms because the implementing the algorithm with multiplayer against, right? So how multiplayer means, like how they are basically, so one will be computer, one will be
No,
you, and
no, no. Single player is one is computer and one is you, and multiplayer is basically you and your friend, any of your friend.
okay. So the second was is it was not computer, right? So you are just two-person basically in, right?
Yeah, yeah. So when the user is like process or winning, we are just passing the true, and us we are passing the false.
Mm-hmm. So so this app will be like work as, or maybe we deploy this project through Google Play Store, something like that. So
Yeah,
is there some
yeah.
yeah, so is this type of deployable? Like can we deploy, or maybe need any other extra improvement for completing or deploying this project?
No, no. For deploying anything in the market, like you have to become a great UI. Okay. If you
Mm,
have a
mm,
good UI and you think like
mm,
it is working
mm,
fine, and you
mm,
have tested each and everything of the
mm,
cases scenario, so
mm,
it is basically just follow the agile process for
mm,
deploying anything. But if you want to just learning purpose, you can just deploy, create the APK file, generate the signed APK, and upload it to the Play Store in your
Mm-hmm.
own console. You can deploy it also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so there is one question. So how is game development in Android differ from any other normal Android developer? So is there something extra you have to learn about if you are doing some specialization in game development, or other than
No,
game development,
actually,
what are
for the game is the basically it is complex according to the normal Android development
mm,
because the game is using the animation,
mm,
graphics, and other
mm,
language libraries as well. Like C Sharp is basically used in the game development,
mm,
and
mm,
when these things are integrated in the application, so it will
mm,
become a complex thing. So
mm,
for game development, you are not just a beginner in the Android development. You have to
mm,
become
mm,
some intermediate level, and after
mm,
that you can switch to the game development. So
mm,
it is different. Like normal application development is easier than a game
mm,
development.
mm. Okay, go to the technical aspect part, like technical part. So this can be implemented Java, Kotlin, okay, UI.
Hmm.
This was basically who, yeah,
UI
this will
UX designs.
learning outcome. Game logic, so implement game rules, winning conditions, robot opponent behavior,
Yeah.
animations. So what was basically animations here? Like X playing, oh, that is.
We are using the Lottie animation library for the animation purpose. So you can just Google it, the Lottie animation. You can get all the details of the animation libraries.
So what is animation basically in this I'm talking about? Like the X and 0 as displaying on the screen, that is only animations or.
Yeah, this is on his
Mm,
animation.
okay.
Like basically, when a bot play, it is
Mm,
automatically redirected. But when a
mm,
multiplayer is playing, they can just
mm,
tap on the screen. So for
mm,
this improvement, we have to wait for 10 seconds or 1 second. Like for the user experience, like the bot is also thinking the
mm,
process way.
mm,
So we have
mm,
to delay for the 1 second, 2 second. It is the animation I am using in the application.
mm, mm. Okay. And so how we like game logic part? So have you implemented any algorithm or how you are designing the algorithm part? We-
Yeah, basically, as the normal rules
Mm,
we are using in the for Action Zero
mm,
game or tic-tac-toe game,
mm,
the basic rule I have integrated while using the programming logic.
mm,
So I have integrated that those game rules and converted it into the programming language and just using it here.
mm, mm. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So
and
basically.
the most crucial part is for the robot opponent behavior. For this, I am using the algorithm, and
Mm,
we are just integrated it.
mm, mm. Okay. Okay. So sound effect we can integrate, but is it currently integrated or not in this one?
No, no, it is not integrated, but we can just integrate by using the media player class only.
Mm,
So it
mm,
is not a very big deal.
Hmm. Okay, so let's testing was another thing like how the functionality is working and Android Studio. Yeah, fine. That is development
Hmm.
ID, right? Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, and okay. So if somebody learned understood how they can develop this project, so based on that they can create any different type of game based on this one, or maybe if you learn this one. Okay, so that's all everyone. I think this was uh, the complete project's demo and how what are the feature implemented in this project and what are the technology we have used in this project. Okay, so if you are a student developer or whoever want to learn how to implement this project, so they can work by their own, or if you need somewhere help or how to somewhere they stuck, so they can also reach out to us. We will help to complete your project as well. And any other Android app development or any project development you are working. So if you need somewhere, either you need to complete tutorials or live projects training, or even you want to if you're working or launching your own app, even you can contact us. We our developer will work with you, like based on either development project, or maybe as you are a student, just you are learning, and you are completing any task. Either task may be a small or even your complete project. So throughout this project assistance or even assignments, coursework, anywhere you need in Android app development, so you can contact us. We will surely help you in that. Okay, so that's all everyone. Let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.